That's him?
Yeah, he's been following her for like the last
I thought she said earlier her battery died.
What bar did you come from? Give me your hand. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. But
You're a bad guy.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Look, listen, I get it.
A driver cited the Fourth Amendment to refuse a sobriety test. A law enforcement officer told him he was wrong. What neither fully understood reveals a critical gap in how both citizens and officers apply constitutional law during a DUI stop.
do we have a description?
He's knocking on for. No, he's right here.
Right where?
No, that's him.
That's him?
Yeah, he's been following her for like the last like 2
Also a white guy and an all black Camaro.
Yeah, we're about to 1012, 1065 is Florida Tech. Black Camaro.
Thought her battery died.
What?
Bro, don't whip me.
No. What's going on?
I thought her battery's dying. That's why I was...
At all.
No, for the bar. That's it. I'm not stalking her or anything. I thought she said earlier her battery died.
What bar did you come
How do you
from?
know her?
I don't.
So what brought you to this occasion thinking her battery died?
I thought she was going to her parents' house, and I was just... I thought I was doing the right thing.
And you have no idea who this person is.
I'm a nice dude.
Okay.
I'm a nice dude.
Do me a favor. Turn your car off.
No?
Yeah. We're going to turn your car off.
No, you're not.
Great.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
Do you want to do...
Here's what I want to ask, alright? No, I need to talk with you, okay? You're already here, you're on our campus, I have to ask you, okay? Would you be willing to conduct some field sobriety exercises to try to cause me to believe that you are not impaired while driving? This would go to your benefit.
You can answer the question or just going to stay silent.
Would you be willing to conduct some field sobriety
You can
exercises?
No, I'm not moving.
No, it's Fourth Amendment.
No,
You
it's
can
not.
do
It's
it.
not. It's not.
No,
the
no,
Fourth
no.
Amendment. Stop.
Don't. What's wrong with you?
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
Yes. Ow, God damn it. You just located my shoulder.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Definitely did not.
Yeah, you did. Let go of
Stop.
my hand.
He just
Let go of my hand.
Why? Because he dislocated my shoulder?
Definitely did not.
Really, bro?
Stop grabbing me.
You want to be a little...
Alright. We gotta slide this hand up more. It's here. That's it. Let me just double lock and that's it.
I didn't do nothing wrong. I really did nothing wrong.
Nope. I can smell the alcohol off of you. Okay?
I'm not fighting you right now. Why are you doing that? Why are you fighting?
243 dispatch. We're gonna have a white male in custody at this point. Hold him real quick. Yeah.
Do not pull me up on
Is
my
that mine or
shoulder.
yours?
Because I guarantee you, I will sue you. I'm a combat vet. My
You too, man.
You know what?
Alright, let's get
I
you
am
sitting up,
too.
okay?
You want to play, bro?
Come on.
Nobody's playing.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Let's get you
man.
sitting up. Come on.
You gotta have my shoe.
Yes.
Look.
Stand up, put your shoe on.
No, just listen.
Come on.
Talk to me for a second.
For one,
Give me your car keys.
I have my car keys. The car's just not on.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. I still have mine on.
Yeah. Hold on.
Bro, I'm not a bad guy.
You're not.
Yeah.
I'm not saying you're a bad guy, brother.
I mean, but
I'm saying you're a bad guy.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Like, listen, I get it.
No, you gotta understand.
It's understandable. I understand where you're coming from.
My brother, this is 45th anniversary of being in. I'm not.
It's okay. It's okay. You don't gotta talk,
I'm
brother.
not gonna pull.
You don't have to.
I'm.
All right.
I never. No.
I know.
This right here is not
You
necessary.
seem like a good guy.
It's
all right?
not necessary. You let me go?
we're not letting you go right now at this point.
But hold on. Listen to me. Just listen to me.
Yeah, I got him.
Just listen to me. I'm not going anywhere.
I know you're not going nowhere.
Stop. I'm not going anywhere.
First of all, let's start off with this. What's your name, man? Where are we coming from today, bud?
Dispatch said you call 37, switch to
Girl's house.
Girl's house?
I can't even give you the address. I don't
Okay,
know.
no, that's fine.
I don't know. I really don't know.
Okay. Explain to me. I want to hear your side of the story. We got you in cuffs right now at this point. We need to know, why are you following this girl?
I didn't think it was that way. I really didn't think it was that way. Because she told me, she goes, come to my house. Now, and if I misunderstood it, that's my fault.
Okay.
I was not stalking her. That's
All right, well,
that's not the dude I am. It's not.
it is what it is.
If
All
you're
right.
not interested,
If you got your side keys, let's go in from the sideway and get them into the booking area.
I'm sorry, man. Hey,
Come on.
I get
Come
it,
on.
man.
stop,
Trust me, I don't,
please.
Come on.
Please stop.
We're going this way.
I don't take anything.
I'm not going.
We're going this way. Come on.
Really, I'm not. Why? Unnecessary. It's really unnecessary.
Stop.
Stop doing that to me. I'm walking with you.
Yep.
Why you got to push me like that? You make it look like I'm fighting you. Guess what? No, that's what he wants to make it look like on his body cam.
No. We don't want to make it.
We're entering a restricted area at this point.
He's dead. He's dead.
He's not new. He's been on the job for a while.
Sit down. Sit.
Just take a seat, please.
Thank you.
Bro, why do you gotta be so...
Just take a seat. Relax. It's okay.
That's a lawsuit right here.
What?
It's a lawsuit.
It's a badge.
No, it's a lawsuit.
No,
It's a lawsuit.
Scooch over, buddy.
I'm not gonna let him do it. I'm gonna make him work for it.
Steve.
I'm not moving. I'm not moving.
Let's not do this, all right?
I'm not moving. He's the one that's being an... Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
You really are.
Okay.
You're a Samoan with a little ding dong.
The girl then breaks down what led to this.
Tell me what in the world happened from the beginning of your interaction with this guy all the way to the point you came run into the PD saying, I need help. What transpired?
Okay, I was at a stoplight.
Okay.
Right? So I was sitting there, and then so I left a gap, like, because there was a little like out road right there, and you know how you're supposed to like leave a gap so the cars can get through. And so he like came really close to my car and just like got in front of me, and I looked and I was like, what the heck? I didn't say anything to him. My windows were up and I had my like shades on. So I was like, okay, whatever. The light turned and I was gonna turn anyways, like down the road, and so I got in the what is this, left turning lane. And so I pulled up, and he like was going in the straight lane still. So I like pulled around him, and then I was looking, and I was like, what the heck? And so I was like, and then I seen him like moving, and I was like, he got to be drunk, because nobody just like pulled like that kind of move. Like,
Is there anything that stood out to you about him possibly being intoxicated?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, well,
okay.
yeah.
So on the count, he was like moving weird, like
Just moving weird.
Okay, and then when I went down, so I turned, right, and I texted her. I was like, okay, f him, like I'm turning, like I'm not worried about it. I was like, somebody just cut me off, and I was like, it's whatever. So
Sure.
I turned, and then when I seen him, so then he got out of the straight lane to turn, because I seen him a few minutes after, or like a few seconds after, and I was going, and then he was like, we got to another stoplight, and he turned around. I think it was like Twisted Tea or something. I don't know, but he had something, like some kind of drink, and he was reaching back to get another one, and he was drinking it.
What color was the can?
It looked yellow and blue.
Yellow and blue.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
what it looked like. And so then he was drinking something, I don't know.
Yes.
And then as we were going straight, mind you, like I'm like, okay, that's weird. Like, so I'm starting to speed up a little bit, and he's speeding, and he's hitting the curbs, like full on hitting the curbs, and I'm like, okay. So then that's when I call her. I'm like, this dude is like drunk or like on drugs or something.
Sure.
And so I'm now at this point I'm like speeding. I'm getting like anxious because like now I'm like trying to go in and out of like lanes, like and like to see if it's like, am I just tripping or is he actually following me? And so mind you, no, we didn't speak. We didn't make eye contact this whole time. Mind you, like I have on my sunglasses. So then I get to a point and I'm like, I take off my sunglasses. I'm like, okay, he's actually following me. So I try to get like some kind of description, but his windows are kind of tinted. So I'm like, okay, so I'm just keep going straight, and then I turn again on 41.
Okay.
So I turn on this road and at the Wawa, by the Wawa at the corner, and so I turn left again, and then I'm like. At this point, I'm basically speeding down the road. And I'm like, okay, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. And I'm on the phone with her, and she's like, okay, well, I send her my location. She comes, and then she's like, and then, yeah. So, and I'm just speeding all the way here. And then I got here, and then he was like, still following. And he like, oh, we stopped at another stoplight, and he almost hit some bikes. Like, I got in front of the like motorcycle person, and like he almost hit them. He was honking at them to like move out of the way.
Okay.
Or I don't know. That's what
All right.
That's what it says.
Well, thank you, first of all, for coming to us. And the second that you needed help, that was, you did the right thing.
Thank y'all for being quick.
I'm glad that you're all right. I'm just trying to figure out. So you said he was following you. When I got out there was nobody out there. And then all of a sudden, your sister?
No.
No.
That's okay. That's okay.
No, I'm trying to make sure.
No, you're good. You're good.
Is it? I'm trying to figure.
Yeah.
How are you related, friends?
Yeah, that's my friend.
Okay, I just want to make sure. I just for the report, so I want to get it clear.
Yeah.
So your friend all of a sudden then came up, and then I saw the Camaro,
Yeah.
and I didn't know what was going on.
Yeah.
All I got was, hey, there was a guy chasing me.
Yeah.
I didn't know what I'm looking for, other than I just went out there looking for a guy, and then there was nobody. So then when I get out there, then I see your friend roll up,
Yes.
and then she's like, "Yo, it's this dude."
Yeah.
So how
Like-
how did he get behind her?
So
Like,
she-
where did the delay happen? That's what I'm
So
trying to figure
right
out.
down there at like the racetrack, I think that is.
So at
a little bit
Pearl?
farther down.
Okay, so yeah,
So-
a little bit further
Yeah, like it
past
just-
the racetrack.
Yeah.
Okay,
that
that's
way.
fine.
She see me because I sent her my location. I'm like, I don't know what
Yeah,
to do.
yeah.
So she see me
Yep.
and she like
So she turned
met,
around.
Yeah, she met with me like, and then like she intercepted kind of and like got
Okay.
Bro, I don't
have
have
to-
anything.
We have to check, bud.
Look, he just checked.
Stop. Stop.
See,
Stop.
now,
Relax.
see what he wants to do? See?
Okay. We have to search. It's simple as
He
that.
can search it.
Fine.
You're not fucking touching me. You've
want-
already done it twice.
You want gloves?
You've already done it. You've already lost your fucking job.
Okay. Come on.
Bro,
I got him.
stop. Stop. The fuck is the matter with you?
Go on.
Hey. Stop.
Take the cuffs off.
Stop.
Let's play.
Hey. It's not worth it right now. Come
Take
on.
the cuffs off.
No.
Let's play.
No. Steve, you're making.
I know. But you,
Okay.
You want me to go
listen,
somewhere?
I got you. It's me and you. That's it. It's me and you. All right. That's it. Can you sit down in the car for me?
you want me to go somewhere? Ask.
Okay. Can you-
Don't push me.
That's why I'm
Don't push
talking.
me. I'll do anything you want.
Thank you. You have it? Do you have the seatbelt on?
Is he a dumb driver?
Hopefully not.
Officers charged the 51-year-old man with 3 different charges: driving under the influence in the second offense, driving while license is suspended with the knowledge in the second offense, and resisting an officer without violence. He was also cited for possession of an open container while operating a motor vehicle. This is his second time he's been stopped while being under the influence and having a blood alcohol level of 0.08 or higher. Due to it being his second offense, penalties can increase significantly, as well as potential jail time or probation. Similarly, this is his second time while driving while his license was suspended with his knowledge. As always, let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comments. What do you think the man would have done? What do you think his intentions would have been if he did catch up to the woman? Would he have simply talked to her, or would he have did something else? Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Turn your car off.
No, you're not.
Been drinking.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay. Would you be willing to conduct some field sobriety exercises to try to cause me to believe that you are not impaired while driving? This will go to your benefit.
You can answer the question or it's going to stay silent.
Would you be willing to conduct some field sobriety
You can
exercises?
No, I'm not moving.
No, it's Fourth Amendment.
No,
You
it's,
can
no,
do
it's
it.
not. It's not.
No,
the
no,
Fourth
no.
Amendment. Stop.
Don't.
The detention was grounded in Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1,968. A credible 911 call describing specific ongoing criminal conduct constitutes reasonable, articulable suspicion. No warrant was required. No probable cause was yet needed. The detention was lawful before any officer reached the window. Florida Statute 316.1000. 932 governs implied consent for DUI investigations. The statute covers only breath, blood, and urine testing. Field sobriety exercises are not included and carry no refusal penalty under Florida law. The subject had the legal right to refuse. His constitutional theory was imprecise. His conclusion was correct. The officer who said it was not the Fourth Amendment was technically right, but practically incomplete. Refusing field sobriety exercises did not prevent a lawful DUI arrest. Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 213, 1,983, holds that probable cause is assessed under the totality of circumstances. A 911 call, a civilian witness account of open container consumption while driving, and direct officer detection of alcohol odor each independently satisfy that standard. The refusal of FSEs was irrelevant to the probable cause determination. Physical resistance during vehicle extraction is analyzed under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1,989. Three factors govern: the severity of the crime suspected, the immediacy of threat to officers or others, and the degree of active resistance. All three factors supported force escalation at this moment. Officers declined to deploy less lethal options despite active resistance, satisfying the proportionality standard. Florida Statute 843. 2 prohibits obstruction of a law enforcement officer in the lawful execution of a legal duty without offering violence. This charge did not arise from the DUI allegation. It was generated entirely by the subject's own conduct in custody. The right to refuse field sobriety exercises does not authorize physical resistance to a lawful arrest. These are legally distinct acts with separate consequences. Charges filed: DUI second offense under Florida Statute 316.193. Driving while license suspended with knowledge second offense under Florida Statute 322.34. And resisting an officer without violence under Florida Statute 843.2. A second DUI conviction carries up to 9 months imprisonment, fines between $10 and $20, mandatory ignition interlock installation, and a 5-year license revocation. Key legal lesson: constitutional rights must be asserted through lawful means. The right to refuse field sobriety exercises under Florida Statute 316.1000. 932 is real and should be exercised calmly and verbally. Physical resistance to a lawful arrest does not protect existing rights. It creates new criminal liability under Florida Statute 843.2. Every right has a proper legal avenue. That avenue is a defense attorney and a courtroom, not the point of arrest. 3 questions remain unresolved and define the full legal weight of this case. Was the officer legally or ethically required to inform the subject that FSE refusal carried no statutory penalty under Florida law? Did the failure to formally document the in-custody injury complaint create civil liability exposure under 42 U.S.C. Section 1,983? And would the outcome have differed if the subject had understood the legal distinction between a right to refuse and a right to resist? The answers determine whether this was a lawful arrest, a rights violation, or something in between.